She's good.
You have got what I think is probably one of the nicest people I've ever met. You know that, Koya?
Yeah.
She is without a doubt a doll. She's so freaking nice.
Yeah.
She's just happy.
All time.
She loves life. She loves saying hello. I mean, you can call her a fucking nut. She don't care. You know, Zuzo, you crazy in the cabeza. Okay, I don't care. I like you. I like you, though.
Yeah, she's a nice person.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know what she's like when you solo met there alone, but all I know is that you're a lucky man, and I hope you are.
You think so?
I mean, when you're together, what I see. But, you know, for all I know, when you two are out alone, maybe she's fucking loco. But I don't see that.
I know.
See one happy woman. I would love to meet a girl like that. I got a nice girl now. Boyo.
Yeah, I know.
I got a nice girl, really love her. It's a shame I don't love her though.